Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Electrical Concepts. My name is Avigyan. So in this video I'm not going to discuss any topic like my other videos, rather I'm going to share something with my audience. I want to talk about why I decided to be a YouTuber. I am an electrical engineer by profession. I also completed my masters or post-graduation in electrical engineering, and it was always my dream to be a successful electrical engineer. And I think I have the potential to explain some good electrical concepts easily to you people. And I think YouTube is the best platform for doing this. I have always been passionate about being a YouTuber. So for me, I consider electrical engineering to be my biggest skill set. Alright, and that is why I decided to share my knowledge in YouTube. And that's all I wanted to say today in this video. I hope you have liked it, and yes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Electrical Concepts. Alright, and goodbye for now. See you soon. Thank you very much.